got it for $250, $250, $250. Yes, $250. Okay, this is my third time filming this, so look, we're just gonna get it right the first time. Oh my gosh. It's been 5 ever. No, for real. It's been forever. Hey guys, what it up? What it do? 83. I know y'all like, girl, you haven't been on here in 5 years. What are you doing? Okay, so look, I got some explaining to do because I don't want to be that toxic boyfriend in the relationship. You know what I'm saying, ladies? Can I get amen? So I've been trying to upload videos and YouTube has just not been my friend lately. So, you know, I kind of went a whole semester of just like, I just gave up. I was just like, okay, it's not processing my videos. Might as well. Maybe this just isn't for me. But I'm going to try this again. We're going to get this video up. I promise. We're going to get this video up. But anyways, hey guys, I just want to say I'm back. I'm breathing. I'm living. I hope you are too. You look beautiful. You look great. I see you. Today, this video is going to be a thrift haul. Woo! It's going to be a thrift haul. I just went thrifting. I think my total was around $35. I'll try and find the receipt. I went to Goodwill. So basically what I did is when you initially walk into Goodwill, they tell you which tag has 50% off on that day. Blue is the color, so I kind of keep my eye out for those things, the blue tags, so I can, like, you know, if it wasn't on a blue tag, I still obviously sometimes got it, but it's just better to get a deal on a deal, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, okay, no, all right. So with that being said, if you want to know what I got at my thrift haul, if you want to know how I'm going to style it and tips on styling it, just keep watching. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through what I bought, how I'm going to style it, and the brand, and I'm going to try to attempt to give the price. I cannot find the receipt, but we're just going to do the math. I kind of remember what was what because Goodwill has the set prices, but the first thing I got were these really, really super cute mom jeans. They were super duper duper, we're still going, long. They're super long. I loved this, like, I love when jeans have this badge on them, and I really thought it was cute because it had this, it's like a pendant of a cheetah, a puma, no, not a puma, a tiger. Look, I don't know, I thought it was cute. The brand is Krizia jeans. I thought it was cute, high-waisted. They really help out my little curve that I got. The bell bottoms, I'm not sure if I want to cut them yet or keep them as jeans, as these jeans, because they're really flattering, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. They're normally $7.99 at Goodwill, so let's just say $8. So $8 for these, and yeah, and this you can just pair with anything. It's a normal pair of jeans, whatever you want, t-shirt, sweater, dress. Don't pair with a dress. I was just joking. The next thing that I got was a dad t-shirt. I love dad t-shirts. I love t-shirts in general. This is the brand, where's it at? Sport Shop. Nothing major, nothing really fancy. It's just a dad t-shirt. It has like that grayish beige thing going on, and I really loved the one stripe across the chest. I thought it would be cute, like tucked into those jeans maybe, or I don't know what I want to do with this. I honestly don't. I never know what I want to do with anything, but this was $2.99, so $3, but this was 50% off. It had a blue tag, so this was $150. We already at $9.50, which is not bad at all. Okay, the next thing I got, which is the best find, just joking, it's a black belt, just a normal black belt. I really needed one. I lost my other one that I thrifted, so I just picked this up. This was $1.50. The next thing I got, which is really interesting. Oh, and this shirt was from the brand Eddie Bauer. Don't know where he is sold, if that's a girl or boy, but yep, that's what I got. On to the next. This was my interesting find because I normally don't wear stuff like this, but I'm actually really excited. My friend told me, get it girl, you're gonna look good in it, try things that are different. So I got these. I don't know the print, I don't know what this is called. I know, hopefully you guys don't bash me in the comments. I'm gonna get good at these hauls one day. I'm gonna learn my fabrics and my patterns and stuff, and I'm gonna be a beast at this. But I just thought it gave me that Clueless feel, the movie Clueless. I thought, like, you know, this was something that I would see in that movie, and they're really cute. They cinch it at the waist. It makes it look really, really nice. I was thinking you could wear this with like a tight black bodysuit or like a black top, anything really, and pair it with like some bands or something. I thought this was really cute, and it's different, and it's from the brand Lady Harlan, and it's 100% wool. Ooh, fancy schmancy. So let's just add $8 to our total. So yeah, $8 for these pants. Really, really cute. The next thing I got was just a basic winter find. Kind of sad because winter's kind of out the door where I live, but it's just a basic turtleneck. Nothing major, nothing really exciting. This is from the brand Jones New Sport. So I thought this was cute. I needed a tight cream turtleneck, and the one that I had, it was from Forever 21, and it ripped at the neck because I have a really huge head. So hopefully this doesn't. I didn't try it on. It's a size small though, so it should fit, but if it doesn't, that's fine. I got this 50% off. So this was originally $5, so I got it for $2.50. So that's pretty much it for this. You can basically wear this with anything. Anything you would wear a turtleneck with. A dress, overdress, with a skirt, jeans, sweatpants. So yeah, so let's add $2.50 to our total. Okay, the next thing is an interesting find. Simply because I don't wear this brand, so not proud to wear this brand, but I thought it was really cute. I could not get over the print. It's this right here. This is Tommy Hilfiger. Don't really like to support his brand necessarily. He doesn't make them for my people, black people, and I'm a black girl, so I really don't try to, you know, make anybody richer that doesn't like me, duh. But this is Tommy Hilfiger. It's just a normal, it's a dad's t-shirt. I found this in the dad section. I strongly, highly recommend that you go in every section of the thrift store. You never know what you're gonna find. I was excited to see this. What I'm gonna try and do with this is wear it as a dress. I'm pushing for it. Don't really know if it's gonna happen because it's like a high-low shirt. I don't know if you can see right here. It's like high-low right there. So it's long enough in the back, but the front, it like comes up a little too high on my thigh, and I have this birthmark on my thigh, so I feel like if you can see that birthmark, it's probably way too short. So yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work out as a dress yet. It doesn't matter if it doesn't, because I can wear it as a shirt just as it is. The mom jeans that I showed you, I could definitely wear this with that, put some forces on, or you can just wear it with leggings, to be honest, and some forces. Any basic shoe, really. I loved how it gave me that Where's the Waldo look. I love the blue trim with like that red gritty like stripy look. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. I don't know, this is like my first Tommy piece. I literally don't wear that dude. I don't wear him at all, and I don't plan to in the future. But yeah, so this was $2.50. This was originally $5. Got it for 50% off, so we are now at $24. The next thing I got is cute sweater. I actually wore this the other day, and y'all, I got so many compliments. Oh my gosh. This one boy was like, girl, you were swagged out looking like you in the 90s. I'm loving it. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. Y'all know what to do with dad sweaters. Wear whatever you want to wear. Leggings, jeans. I haven't seen anybody wear a skirt, but if you could pull it off, sis, and do it well, okay? I thought it was really cute. I loved it. I like the black trimming around the edges. It looks like this. It has, you know, that red, that green, that yellow, that light and dark blue in it. So I thought it was cute. And, like, why not? This was, I believe, this was $5.99. Yeah, so $6. So this was around $3. This is the men's store at Sears. I don't know if they make this anymore. Really don't know. Size large though. But I thought it was really cute, and why not get it? It was 50% off, so I just said to get it, whatever. Alright, the next thing that we got is this puffer coat. I loved it. I struggled finding puffer coats all winter, and it's sad because winter's over, but I struggled finding them because I'm a small girl, so it was kind of hard to find a puffer coat that didn't swallow me necessarily, if that makes any sense. So when I found this and I tried it on, I was just like, okay, I'm gonna get it. Don't care how much it is. It looks nice, and I love the color. It's like this maroon color. It feels like one of those jackets you can, like, you know, ball up into. I'm pretty sure this came with like a baggie. You know, those jackets that come in bags. Has a hoodie that's like pre-cinched, so I know my fat head is gonna fit in there. Nothing really extravagant about it. I love it, so I got it. This was $7, so it was just, I don't liked it. I liked it a lot. So this was $7. It doesn't have a brand. I'm going to tell you that, guys, that it does not have a brand. It just says extra small. So that's all I got to say about it. One strong tip that I recommend when thrifting is have an open eye for everything. I love to thrift. I literally spent 3-4 hours in there that one day. Oh, and another thing, if you're going thrifting, if you're going shopping anytime, this is just a tip to shop. Wear stuff. This is only if you like to try on clothes. I like to try on clothes because I'm not about to walk out of here if it does not fit me. Please wear clothes that are easily to take off and put back on. It's a burden because you're literally trying to try on clothes, see if you like it, see if you don't, and it needs to be accessible and easy for you to try on those clothes and put your clothes back on. And it was just too much. So make sure you're wearing something that's comfortable and that's easy to slip off and put back on. The next thing is, like I said before, have an open eye. You never know what you're gonna find. Be ready to get down and dirty. Honestly, you're gonna be digging and looking through the same aisle. That's what I did, and you probably might find something that you didn't see or something that you looked over, but now you're like, okay, this is kind of cute. This concludes our video. I just want to say a few things, guys, before I go off. I really want to say thank you to the people that have been so supportive and so positive on my channel. I'm so small in this YouTube world, like literally tiny. And just to read your comments and to get your feedback, it really does. I know this sounds so cliche, but it really does make me happy and it brightens my day, because to know that I'm making someone's day or I'm making someone feel good, it just makes me happy. And now I'm just like smiling like a little kid because I'm making someone happy, and I love to do that. Let's go on this journey together. I'm starting my channel out. Thank you guys for understanding and being patient with the quality of my videos. I know it's not the best. It's not the best, but I appreciate you guys sticking around for that. That shows that you care and that you're loyal. And I love you for that. I love you. We ended the video and our total came up to $34.04, $35, which is roughly what I spent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. I will not disappear like I did last time for the last 7 months. I promise you I will fight YouTube if I have to. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the shenanigans. Do all of it, please. Please, thank you. And if we need to come up with a family name, leave some in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Any video suggestions, any questions. I don't have a social media right now, so let me know if you guys think that I should make one. I really want to have a Twitter so we can do Q&A type stuff, but only if you guys are going to be active on it. Like, I don't do social media, so if I do it, it'll be because of you guys. So let me know if you would like that. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. I think that's it. Have a wonderful, 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 wonderful day, because you're a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful person. And I love you so much. Bye.